clear after a short discussion. So we're supposed to find the distance between the points, and we want to give it an exact answer and a 3 decimal place approximation. So for distance, we know the distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. So putting in the information that we have, the first point will be our x1, y1, and the second point will be our x2, y2. So putting in the information that I have, it would look like this. Now, when we simplify each of the binomials, what I end up with is 3 square roots of 3 quantity squared plus negative 3 square roots of 2 quantity squared. Now, for a little bit of scratch paper, if you will, go down below. When we look at the square root, or 3 times the square root of 3 squared, we would square each piece inside, each piece. So the 3 squared becomes 9, and the square root of 3 squared, the square root and squaring are opposite, so we end up getting a 3. So this first term will be a 27. For the second term, we have negative 3 times the square root of 2. Now, that negative is taken care of right away by the square. It's going to end up being positive, and any negative to an even power is a positive value. And we have 3 squared, which is 9, and the square root of 2 squared, which is 2, and that gives us 18. So let's go ahead and substitute that into our distance formula. So we'll have the distance is equal to the square root of 25 plus 18, and that would be the square root, 27 plus 18, which is 45, which we can take a perfect square root factor of 9 out, which leaves the square root of 5. Distance, the exact answer is 3 square roots of 5. To get this as its approximation, the decimal approximation to the thousandths place, you'd need to use your calculator. So I hope that is what you needed. Here is a whole shot of the work that I did for this problem. And please let me know if you have any additional questions.